Let's circle the problem here. Alright there, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. I'm just doing a quick little project on Old Red here today. I don't think this is going to be an episode. We're just kind of do this as a quick little extra video. So I had several dash lights on Old Red here that were burned out or not working or whatever. And I decided I just wanted to go ahead and I'll change all the dash light bulbs out for some LEDs. Thought that might be a good idea. First I ordered a package of 20 of these red ones. They're pretty cheap. You know, got them on Amazon. I think either 10 or 20 bucks for a package of 20 of them. It was pretty cheap. But almost as soon as I ordered them, before I even got them, I remembered that this pyrometer gauge here has a built-in white LED, and you can't change the color of it. Now, like my speedometer, on the other hand, has multiple color choices. So I was kind of stuck with white, and I realized that before I even got the bulbs in. I went ahead and I went back to the same exact listing, and I bought a package of 20 of the white ones. I just kind of figured, well, I can go ahead and just kind of use some of the red ones on some, maybe my indicator lights, you know, diff lock and whatnot, you know, just go ahead and put a red LED in there. So I'd still use some of the red ones, and that'd be just fine. So I went to go start putting these in today, and I was trying these white ones here, and none of them would work. I'd plug them in, nothing would happen, nothing would happen. So I tried the red ones here, and they worked. I don't know, I probably tried at least 10 of these here. Nothing was working. So then, upon a little closer inspection, I found that if I put positive to the base here and negative to the center post, voila, the light worked. Well, you know, the big problem with that is the vast majority of these gauge lights only have one wire, and they use the body of the gauge to ground them, just like so. So I can't simply just reverse the polarity on the plug. That's not going to work. Now, I already fixed this bulb, so that's why you can see it working here, and I'll go ahead and show you what the poor Chinese child screwed up on these. Alright, so we're just going to rig this up just like probably poor little 10-year-old Something Wong probably had to do in his Chinese sweat factory. So going to go ahead and just lightly clamp down this bulb base in a vise here. I don't have an actual soldering iron handy right now, so we're just going to heat up a little piece of a clip here. Get that nice and hot. Take this, go ahead and heat up the solder on the end there. Ah, shit. Reclamp this a little better. Melt the solder on the end, then we can pull the light out of the base there. Now, you're probably not going to be able to see this on camera because it's pretty small, but we got two wires that come out of the base here. If you look at the circuit board there, there's a negative on the one that was to the center post, and the one with the positive mark is bent around the side here to contact the outer base. Well, that's backwards. This needs to be that way. Get a hold of this wire here. Bend that one up straight. Alright, so now with the one that was soldered into the center post there, bent over the side, this one's standing up, we're just going to resolder this into the base. Now let's go ahead and check this bulb and see if it works. Alright, now this one socket here is one of the few on this truck that actually has two separate wires. So I've been using this socket for testing here. We're just going to go ahead and see that works now. Now just to show you here, here's the package, or grab another one right out of the package here. And you guys can see it doesn't work. So take this one, do the same thing.
Well, I told you once and I told you twice, but you never listened to my advice. Never tried too hard to please me. With all you know, that should be easy. Well, this could be the last time. This could be the last time. Maybe the last time. I don't know. Oh no. Well, I'm sorry, girl, but I can't stay, knowing that I feel this way. There's too much pain and too much sorrow. Well, I guess I'll feel this way tomorrow. This could be the...
Alright, so there's that all done. These white LEDs are kind of a bluish white. They really look blue on camera, but they don't look quite as blue in person. And my pyrometer is still, it's kind of a bright white. These are a little more of a bluish white. But whatever, I guess. All my gauge lights work now. I guess I should be happy with that. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thank you. Have a great day.